Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Masood Raja, and on this channel I hope to introduce you to books from different continents, what we call the post-colonial nations, Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, and sometimes books from South America. Now, I do have a successful educational channel where I discuss how to read books and literary theory, but I thought I should start this separate channel where I simply just talk about books from a different perspective, but most importantly, to introduce you to authors and writers who may not be the part of the so-called mainstream, but who still tell amazing stories from different parts of the world. So that's the mission on this channel. Now, if you have any suggestions or any books that you would like me to talk about, if it is within my realm of expertise, I'll be happy to do so, and I would be happy to have you here as the fellow travelers in this journey about talking about books and about talking about how to read books and what the books can do for us as individuals, but also as human beings who share the planet. Thank you so much for joining me, and peace and love.